Also MVP. Lane 3, Wasim Williams, elite performance. Lane 4, Raquan Graham, Woodman's Boys. Lane 5, Tyreke Wilson, elite performance. Lane 6, Lazina Barrett of Huey Moda. Lane 7, Javon Rollins of GC Foster. And lane 8, Leo Powell. He is unattached. Heat number 5, the final heat of the qualifiers for the men's 100 meters here at the J3's National Senior and Junior Championships.
Нет, фаворит, а вы на свет само.
10:23, the fastest time so far. Let's see what will be produced in this one. Fine start for the man, Wasim Williams. He takes charge. Going with him, Tyreke Wilson, 10.25 for Williams. Positive 1.6 meters per second. 10.29 for Williams. Tyreke Wilson, 10.35. Raquan Graham, 10.37. They've all better the times that were on the bubble so far, and that should be good enough to see them in the top 6 to advance to the